Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my last video, we talked about how to avoid fake friendships and how to recognize people who may not be true friends. But today, we're talking about something even more exciting: how to make real friends. Have you ever wanted more friends but didn't know how to start? Maybe you're shy, maybe you don't know what to say, or maybe you feel nervous talking to new people. Don't worry, making friends is a skill and anyone can learn it. So let's get started. Friendship is like planting a garden. Making friends can feel a bit like planting a garden. You don't plant a seed today and get flowers tomorrow. Friendships grow little by little through small conversations and kind actions. So don't worry if you don't become best friends with someone instantly. That's completely normal. Tip 1. Smile and say hi. The easiest way to start a friendship is with a simple hi. It sounds small, but it can open the door to a conversation. The next time you're at school, try smiling and greeting someone. You might be surprised how friendly people can be. Tip 2. Ask questions. People enjoy talking about things they like. You can ask questions such as, what's your favorite subject? Do you play any games? What do you like to do after school? These simple questions help keep conversations going. Tip 3. Find common interests. Friendships often begin when people discover they enjoy the same things. Maybe you both like gaming, reading, sports, drawing, YouTube. Finding common interests makes conversations much easier. Tip 4. Be kind and helpful. Kindness is powerful. Help others when they need it. Be respectful. Be supportive. People remember those who treat them well. Tip 5. Learn to listen. A good friend doesn't only talk. A good friend listens. Pay attention when people speak. Show interest in what they are saying. This helps build stronger friendships. Friendship secrets most people don't know. Now that we've covered the basic tips, let's talk about some friendship secrets that many people never learn. These secrets can help you build stronger and longer-lasting friendships. Friendship secret #1. Be a regular. People often become friends simply because they see each other often. Try to sit in the same area. Join activities regularly. Talk to the same people more than once. Friendships usually aren't created in one conversation. They're built through many small interactions over time. Think of friendship like building with Lego bricks. One brick doesn't make much, but many bricks together create something amazing. Friendship secret #2. Remember small details. Imagine someone tells you, I have a football match tomorrow. A few days later ask, how did your football match go? That simple question shows that you listened and cared. People appreciate those who remember the little things. Friendship secret #3. Don't try too hard to impress. You don't need to be the funniest person, the smartest person, the coolest person. Most people just want a friend who is kind, respectful, and genuine. Be yourself. That's enough. Friendship secret #4. Include others. If you notice someone sitting alone, try saying hello, inviting them to join you, starting a conversation. Many great friendships begin because someone was brave enough to include another person. Things that can push people away. Now let's talk about some habits that can hurt friendships. Try to avoid interrupting people all the time, only talking about yourself, making fun of others, being rude when you lose games. Nobody is perfect, but showing respect goes a long way. If you're shy, being shy is completely okay. Many people who seem confident are actually nervous too. You don't need to make 10 new friends tomorrow, just take one small step. One hello, one conversation, one friendship at a time. Friendship challenge. Here's a challenge for you. Tomorrow, say hi to one new person, ask them one question. Remember one thing they tell you. Small actions can create amazing friendships. Remember, you don't need lots of friends. Even one true friend can make life happier and more enjoyable. And before you go, if you haven't watched my previous video about how to avoid fake friendships, make sure to check it out after this video, because it goes perfectly with today's topic and can help you choose better friends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.